Welcome. In front of me is a Revvl 6 from T-Mobile, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now, to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box. It's like under it. Once you take out the phone, you will see this little cardboard that was holding the phone, and right in the camera cutout you will find the SIM ejector. So grab it, and then you can use it to pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone. Now, with that being said, you can also use a paper clip for this. Just straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. But once you push the pin in, you'll see that the tray pops out just a little bit, as you can see. And from there you can grab it, take it out, and on the tray you have space for one SIM card and one SD card, each spot dedicated for the said card. So there we go. Once you place them on the tray, make sure that they're laying flush on it, and from there just insert it back into your phone. The cards should be working right away, and as you can see they are. It automatically popped a SIM pin for me, so I'm going to confirm it. So there we go, the SIM card is working, and SD card is working as well, which you can see here based on this tiny little pop-up, which is a notification that SD card is detected, and I can set it up. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.